और अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी का अक़लियतों के कौमी दिन के मौके पर मुनक़दा तकरीब से खिताब जारी है।
The participation in the legislative and the policy making process, a 5% quota in federal and provincial government jobs has been reserved to support the economic empowerment of minorities. In the field of education and scholarships are being offered minority students from primary level through the professional and higher education institutions. You would appreciate that the national policy of interfaith harmony has been designed to promote religious tolerance, strengthen social integration, and unite all religious communities as part of the coalition national fiber. Let me make it absolutely clear. The state of Pakistan stands determined against all forms of discrimination, extremism, and violence. Such acts have no place in our society and were not allowed to threaten the unity, integrity of our nation. As the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, I want to assure you, our minority communities, that you are an essential and respected part of our societies. Your rights and freedom and safety are fully protected under the Constitution. On this National Minorities Day, let us renew our collective resolve to build a more inclusive, stronger Pakistan, one where every citizen, regardless of his religion or belief, enjoys equal rights, mutual respect, and legal protections. Let us unite to create a society in which every individual is empowered to contribute and meaningfully to our shared destiny. Few thoughts that come to my mind. The gentleman, Baveja Sahib, pointed out occupation of a Sikh temple, and at the same time some other minority temples. That immediately, I do assure you, I will take it up with the government and that will be done. The other thing which I would appreciate the minister to do is keep a scholarships for minorities record, that we know that HSN has given 10 scholarships to the minorities. Cadet colleges, we should know, because when I was a kid, I didn't know the difference between Hindu and anybody else. We all lived together in a boys' college, and Christian boys were there, and so were Hindu boys there, very much so, and very educated, total Pakistani spirit. We never found any difference. Even today, I come from a city of Karachi, where there used to be lots of Catholic and lots of Parsis. We should look after minorities we do have, and we shall, inshallah, with the help of everybody here, go forward, and if ever you need me, I'm always around. Pakistan Zindabad.
सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली जरदारी का अक़लियतों के कौमी दिन के मौके पर मुनक़दा तकरीब से खिताब आप देख रहे थे। और इस वक्त आप मनाजिर देख रहे हैं कि सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली जरदारी अक़लियतों के कौमी दिन के मौके पर केक काट रहे हैं।